with DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Civic Bay Radio, the Morning Brew. Welcome back. It's now 11:07 in the, still morning. Time check brought to you by PLDT Fiber. Nothing beats fiber. So upgrade to home's most powerful broadband. Call them up 252 Fiber. 2523427. Hey, what up everybody? Kamusta yung first day of classes ng mga bata, ha? Second day ngayon and maulan, nagbububuhos ang ulan. Alam niyo nakakatawa minsan yung yung mga ang dami nagrarant sa Facebook about the suspension of classes. Okay? Alam niyo ganito lang 'yan. Ilang beses na sinabi ng ng DepEd pati namin. Siyempre, in-announce namin yung announcement ng DepEd. Sinabi rin ng DepEd di ba? At saka ng mga kinauukulan, mga official natin. With or without an announcement, tayo as parents, meron tayong karapatan. We have the right kung gusto nating papasukin o hindi yung anak natin. Kasi ganito yan wala namang kasalanan yung City of yung City of Olongapo government, yung administrasyon dahil unang-una kaya hindi nga nagdeklara ng walang pasok, wala naman tayong signal number. Tama naman, di ba? Okay? Hindi rin naman sila mali, di ba? Okay? Pwede rin sila mag-declare kung gusto nila, pero kung ayaw nila, okay lang din. Pero sa atin, sa case natin, okay lang din yun kasi alam nyo kung bakit? Even yung DepEd mismo nagsabi, with or without an announcement from the local officials, may karapatan tayo as parents kung gusto ba nating papasukin yung bata o hindi. Di ba? Kasi iba-iba rin ang sitwasyon Halimbawa, nakatira ka sa Barangay Gordon Heights. Di ba? Hindi naman binaba yan Ang taas-taas ng Gordon Heights di ba? Kung medyo mababasa lang naman yung bata, hindi naman dadaan sa baha, sa putik, pwede mo nang papasukin, di ba? Kung nandoon ka sa low-lying area, walang announcement, malakas yung ulan, walang signal number, so walang announcement. Pero sa lugar nyo, umihi lang yung 16 na langgam. Baha na. May karapatan ka, teacher, kinumagahan, explain mo lang, teacher, hindi ko po pinapasok si ganito, gano'n, your chikiting. Di ba? Kasi kahapon, sa lugar namin, mabaha, maputik. Ganun lang, proper communication lang, proper channeling of your situation. Ganun lang ang kailangan. Huwag tayong OA. Yung ibang OA, may kung ano kagad sinasabi sa mga opisyalis May mga post ng kung ano-ano, tayo lang daw ang ang lahing isda, parang May announcement kasi ang DepEd. Dati pa nilang sinabi yan. With or without an announcement from your local officials, paulit-ulit nga kami dito sa 89.5 Depende yan sa sitwasyon nyo. Kung yung lugar nyo alanganin, bahain kayo or nakatira kayo sa lugar na maputik, ambon pa lang nagpuputik na. Kawawa yung bata, baka madulas, baka pagdating sa eskwela puro putik yung uniforme. May karapatan kayo na hindi na sila papasukin. Okay? Next day na lang sila papasok. Nasa sa inyo yun. Okay? Acceptable po yun, ha? Kasi iba-iba tayo ng sitwasyon sa lugar na tinitirahan natin Even though we live in the same city, iba pa rin yung sitwasyon mo iba pa rin yung sitwasyon ni Pedro sa sitwasyon ni Gerald. Parang medyo gusto ko yung sitwasyon ni Gerald Lalo na yung di ba merong kumalat yung sabi niya, ang galing mo, idol. Gusto ko yung sitwasyon na yun, pare. Yan etong announcement na to, ibulsa nyo. This will carry forever. Lagi yan. Sinabi ng DepEd dyan, may karapatan ng magulang na mag-decide para sa kapakanan, kaligtasan ng kanilang chikiting. Kung alanganin yung lugar nyo, huwag nyo nang papasukin. Lakas yung ulan kahit walang announcement. Kung hindi naman alanganin yung lugar nyo, ulan-ulan lang naman, di ba? May payong naman, may kapote naman, pasok na. Di ba? Kaya yan tuloy, hindi maiwasan na yung mga old-timers, binabash tuloy yung new generation Yung mga younger generation parents, di ba? Di ba? Naalala ko yung post ni Kuyang Yeah. Oh, sabi niya mas harsh yung conditions noon pero sige, pasok lang. At hindi nagrereklamo, di ba? Tsaka walang social media noon. No? Okay? Ayan. Tandaan niyo po yung reminder na yan, ha? Napaka-importante ng reminder na yan. Alright? So, moving on now. Time for me to give you today's holidays and observances, pati na rin yung famous birthdays, syempre. And the holidays and observances brought to you by Wawas Junior, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Alright? For our hot weekend offer, try two of our spicy best-selling favorite, our Chipotle Chili Burger. Some say Chipotle, some say Chipotle. And Roadhouse fries, perfect for all spicy lovers out there. Okay? Yung mga mahilig sa kaanghangan. Check nyo to, ha? Okay, visit them. They're located at stall number 18, One Stop Shop Mall, Magsaysay Boulevard, Central Business District Area, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. Okay, you may call or text kung tinatamad kang mag-drop by. Pa-deliver ka na lang. Oh, ayan. They're partners with Maxim Delivery app. Kung wala ka nun, i-install mo na sa cellphone mo, ha? Okay? But anyways, nonetheless, here's their cellphone number, 0927-895-9714. Also, I advise you to check out their official Facebook page dahil lahat ng different variants of the best tasting flame grilled quarter pounder burgers nakapost lahat sa Facebook page, yung mga pagpipilian nyo. Okay? So look them up on Facebook, Wawas Junior, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. On with today's holidays and observances. Today is the National Flag Day for Ukraine. I guess you guys know what's happening in Ukraine, di ba? And coincidentally, slash oddly, kahapon naman yung National Flag Day of Russia. No? Magkasunod, ano? Talagang, ano ba, nag-aasaran ba talaga itong dalawang to? Next up, we have International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its abolition. One of the darkest part of in the history of mankind. In mankind's history was, well, slavery. Diba? You know how difficult life was for those who were victims of the slavery. And up to now, it's still ongoing. There's still slavery ongoing. Diba? Dapat we should do something to totally eradicate slavery. It's so harsh on humans. Diba? August 23 each year, the day designated by UNESCO to memorialize the transatlantic slave trade that happened dati. Okay, what else? Also, August 23 is Find Your Inner Nerd. Alright, your inner nerd. I think we all have that, our inner nerd. Okay, Ride the Wind Day and Valentino Day. So there you go, August 23 holidays and observances. And next up we have, well, today's famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Find out who you're sharing your birthdays with.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Actress and singer Nikki Hill, August 23, 1987. Okay? We have a couple of her songs here, so we will put that in. And Bal David of the PBA, napakagaling na point guard. During his heydays, he played for the Ginebra San Miguel team. Okay, August 23, 1972. Si Kuya Bal David. And next up, we have another basketballista, of course, the legendary, bless his soul, rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. Was born August 23, 1978. Tragically, he died in that helicopter crash back in 2020 at the young age of 41. So young. Legendary shooting guard who helped the Los Angeles Lakers win 3 straight NBA championships from 2000 to 2002 and 2 more in 2009 and 2010. So he had a total of 5 championship rings with the Los Angeles Lakers. He was named MVP in 2008 and selected to the NBA All-NBA First Team 11 times from 2002 to 2013. That's how good he is. Sayang lang, he's gone too soon. He was gone too soon. August 23, 1978. Happy birthday up there, Kobe Bryant. All right. Next up, we have rapper Lil Yachty. Turns 25 today. August 23, 1997. All right. Recognized for the songs One Night and Minnesota of his debut album called Summer Songs. And next up, we have happy birthday to, well, birth anniversary for River Phoenix because he passed away way back 1993. Tagal na, no? At a very young age of 23. Sayang to si River Phoenix. Sabi nila, he's a very promising actor, but he was gone too soon. Was born August 23, 1970. Next up, we have the younger brother of Stephen Curry of the Golden State Warriors, Seth Curry, who's also making quite a name for himself in the NBA. All right? He turns 32 today, August 23, 1990. Seth Curry. Okay? A lot of people often, gets lito. Nako-confuse minsan. Steph Curry and Seth Curry. Iba si Steph, iba si Seth. Okay? Magkapatid yun. Jeremy Lin, also an NBA player, but he's currently playing now for outside of the NBA. He's back in his native Taiwan. Was born August 23, 1988. Such a prolific player, Jeremy Lin. Sayang lang, no, hindi nag-continue yung career niya with the NBA. For me, he's still among the best. When he left the NBA, he still is. Magaling pa rin. Hindi pa naman siya he's just 33 or he turns 34 today. Jeremy Lin. I'm a big fan of the Linsanity. That's what they call the moniker he earned for that straight wins he gave New York a couple of years ago. All right. And Francesca Real of Stranger Things turns 28. Was born August 23, 1994. Movie actor Gene Kelly and an excellent dancer, popular actor and dancer, who choreographed his own dances, his dance routines in hits from 1940s and 1950s. Like, especially, he's forever immortalized in Singin' in the Rain. Okay, remember that music video of that? August 23, 1912. He passed away in 1996. Next up, we have Julian Casablancas, who is the frontman of the rock band The Strokes. Okay, turns 44 today. Medyo nakakatakot lang yung pangalan ng band, no? Strokes. Well, if it means a different kind of, strokes, then yeah, good. August 23, 1978. Scott Caan, TV actor Scott Caan. He's on the CBS series Hawaii Five-0 and HBO's Entourage. All right. He's also Turk Malloy in Ocean's 11 trilogy. Boiler Room, Gone in 60 Seconds. Varsity Blues, Novocaine. Dami, ha? All right. And he turns 46 today. Aside from acting, do you guys know, he also worked as a member of the road crew before acting for hip-hop groups such as Cypress Hill and House of Pain. All right. Road crew for those artists. He turns 46 today, August 23, 1976. Rock singer Rick Springfield, or Springfield, wala palang S. Rick Springfield, ayan. You guys remember the song Jessie's Girl? That's him. And was also an actor. He was on the soap opera General Hospital, portraying the role of Dr. Noah Drake. And he turned 73 today, August 23, 1949. Next up, we have YouTube star Georgios Manolopoulos, turns 25 today. Are you guys familiar with yung video meme na what? Na medyo chubby kind of guy. That's him. Paulit-ulit ginagamit yun sa maraming yung yung awkward now. What? That's him. August 23, 1997. Next up, we have Keith Moon, who is the drummer for the band The Who. And do you guys know Keith Moon was named number 2 best drummer by Rolling Stone in 2011. Number 2 in the world. Okay? The best drummer. And among the best drummers in the world is a man with only one arm. Do you guys know that? Joe Allen of Def Leppard. I don't know kung pang ilan yung ranking niya, no? Pero ako nahiya ako kay Joe Allen, no? Nakakahiya, no? Isa lang yung kamay, tapos ang galing na drummer. 'Di ba? Tayo kompleto yung kamay natin pero wala lang eh. Pero Keith Moon is number 2. I wonder who's number 1. Last time I checked, I think it's still John Bonham of Led Zeppelin, right? But the thing is, number 1 and number 2, both dead. Now dead. Keith Moon was born August 23, 1946. He passed away back in 1978 at the young age of 32. Alright, bata pa siya noon, ano? Sayang. Dami pa sanang naging hit with the band The Who. Alright. And that's about it. Today's famous people celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you August 23 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. All right. And yeah. Text me up 0910-6909-501. Okay? 0910-6909-501. You better save that number as well. Okay? You might need it. And a couple of my friends celebrating the birthdays today. To Ate Annie Picache. All right? Happy birthday, Ate Annie, who is the sister of our very own DJ Ares Picache. Ayan. Ate Annie, happy birthday. Pati na rin kay Kuya Rolando Domingo. Happy birthday to you. Alright? Pati na rin kay Ate Jasril Alves Eclarinal. Ayan. Happy birthday, Ate Jasril. Who else do I gotta greet? Si Kuya Adams Fajardo. Wow. Kuya Adams Fajardo, happy birthday to you. Kahit ano, basta pizza. Sa mga nagbe-birthday. Who else do I gotta greet? Let me check. Meron pa eh. Si, yeah, I guess that's about it. Wala na pala, sorry. All of you celebrants, August 23, yeah, 2022, happy birthday sa inyo, ha? Okay. So, I'm gonna play a song coming from one of today's birthday celebrants. And that happens to be Lil Yachty.